Is your check engine light on? Don't panic. Hey there, dears and car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us dread but can't ignore, the dreaded check engine light. But fear not. We're going to show you how to use an OBD2 code reader to diagnose and hopefully resolve the issue causing that pesky light to come on. So, what exactly is an OBD2 code reader? Well, it's a handy device that plugs into your car's onboard diagnostic OBD port, which is usually located under the dashboard. This port is present in all vehicles manufactured after 1996, thanks to regulations requiring standardized emission systems. The OBD2 code reader communicates with your car's onboard computer to retrieve trouble codes, giving you valuable insights into what might be causing the check engine light to illuminate. Here are a few steps to use the reader. Locate the OBD2 port. Connect the reader. Follow the reader's instructions. Retrieve trouble codes. Write down the codes. Now, let's get started with the diagnostic process. Step 1 is locating the OBD2 port in your vehicle. It's typically located beneath the steering wheel, but the exact placement can vary depending on the make and model of your car. Once you've found it, simply plug in your OBD2 code reader. With the code reader plugged in and the ignition turned on, you're ready to retrieve the trouble codes. Most code readers have a simple interface with buttons or a touchscreen for navigation. Start by selecting the Read Codes option. Here, you'll see any trouble codes stored in your car's computer. These codes are alphanumeric and correspond to specific issues detected by various sensors and systems in your vehicle. Now, it's essential to remember that trouble codes are just a starting point. They indicate a problem area but not necessarily the exact cause of the issue. For example, a code might indicate a malfunctioning oxygen sensor, but it could be due to a loose wire, a faulty sensor, or another underlying issue. Let's take a look at some common trouble codes you might encounter and their potential causes. P0XXX codes typically relate to issues with the powertrain, such as engine or transmission problems. P1X codes are manufacturer-specific and can vary widely. P2X codes often indicate issues with fuel or air metering. P3X codes relate to ignition system or misfire problems. To interpret these codes accurately, you can refer to your code reader's manual or look them up online. Many websites and forums offer extensive databases of trouble codes along with their potential causes. Armed with this information, you'll have a better idea of where to start troubleshooting. Once you've diagnosed the problem and made any necessary repairs, you'll want to clear the trouble codes to turn off the check engine light. Most code readers have an option to clear codes or reset MIL malfunction indicator light. Select this option, and the code reader will communicate with your car's computer to clear the stored trouble codes. And there you have it. Using an OBD2 code reader to diagnose and address the check engine light is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. Remember though, while a code reader is a valuable tool, it's essential to use it in conjunction with your mechanical knowledge and troubleshooting skills to effectively resolve the underlying issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.